A big hello and a warm welcome to all of you amazing and beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this collective reading where I'm being shown that the masculine energy, and this is being done from an individual case, via an individual case, a representative of the collective energy. The masculine energy has realized that they deeply misunderstood their partner. Not only that, they did something so wrong. Now not only they are, as in the collective energy, but not only the masculine is struggling with regret, but also feeling that the damage is not repairable. And the masculine is going through a lot of pain. Masculine wants to apologize, wants to say sorry, but doesn't know how to fix it or heal it. The role of ego in this collective reading is quite strong because first the masculine goes through the fear of rejection, or because of misunderstandings, or because of something lingering. He prevents the reconciliation. He prevents a proper communication. He prevents any evidence to reach the feminine, or he doesn't he probably is trying to cover up what he has done, the damage that he has done. He is trying to cover it, or he tried to cover it, but because of that he basically broke the heart of the divine feminine. The divine feminine cannot trust him anymore. The masculine goes through a realization after the feminine basically detaches from him, and she realizes that there is no point feeling anything for this person. It's not easy place for the feminine to be in, because she's the one who's hurt, she's the one who's suffering a lot. But after, or as soon as she detaches from the masculine, he starts to suffer a lot. And masculine is experiencing epiphanies, acknowledging that they have been extremely selfish, and they were not honest, they were not sincere, they were wrong basically, but the ego is not allowing them to accept that they are wrong. Their own internal blocks and external influences, bad company or lies or whatever they did, has led to poor behavior, and this poor behavior has not gone down well with the feminine. The feminine feels now that love is not a real experience, love is not true. Whatever the masculine gave to her, whatever he said to her, whatever the commitments were, they were not true. And there's a lot of back and forth movement that happened because of his behavior. I am being shown that here he was the one who was wrong. Like everything was going smooth, life was settling down, their problems were going away, their situation was healing. But the masculine effed up big time, purely for his own selfish reasons, to give himself an ego massage, get some kind of external validation. He ruined the relationship, and he has created trauma, and he has created a lot of negativity, wasting of time. And the masculine, why this collective reading is important is because the masculine's turn to experience how it feels, how the heartbreak feels, how the negativity feels, how the lack of trust feels, how the betrayal feels. It's gonna be his turn to go through it, and he kind of knows it in his heart that he will pay for it. It's not like universe will just let it go. Now if you are going through the chasing experience, then Do not make excessive efforts to fix the situation that requires the other person to do their own internal work. If the masculine is not, if in case you are the feminine and you're listening to this, if the masculine is not doing the right thing, even if he has done the wrong thing, even if he has messed up really badly, but he should still know what to do. Like, he should know is what you think that he should know, but he doesn't know. And the feminines um, should simply take care of herself, focus on her business, focus on her life, focus on her family, focus on her career, focus on her own happiness, and forgive, not to ignore it, but to move on from it. For those who are continuing the relationship after whatever the masculine did, for those who continue to be with the person because there's no option, you can't go anywhere, you can't leave, you can't run, you can't separate, you have no option, but you have to see the face of this person pretty much every day, and they don't try to fix it, they don't try to do anything to fix it, so you don't have to fix it either. You have to figure out a way to regulate your emotions. You have to figure out a way to basically tell yourself that it's not your fault, it's not your mistake, there's nothing wrong. I mean, whatever wrong has happened, you felt it, but from a larger perspective, this will not matter to you in some time. It will take some time for this pain to heal, or you have to make sure that you just move on from it. Maybe you suffered or you are suffering still because you are prioritizing the masculine, you are putting the masculine on the pedestal, you are doing a lot for the masculine. Maybe he doesn't deserve it at all. Now, this collective reading is also identifying a group of young volunteers who are also undergoing deep heartbreaks as a part of their soul mission, because they are here to assist the collective, and this is to learn how to set boundaries and prioritize self-love. This is for the younger volunteers who are at an early age experiencing this betrayal, because they have to do some kind of volunteering work on planet Earth. But those who are a generation ahead of these people, you too need to focus on your career, focus on making money,